Hi guys and welcome back. In this video we will be learning about sets. Sets are another collection, like lists and tuples, that contain multiple values inside them. But, of course, there has to be a difference between sets and the other two, otherwise there would be no point to them. And the key difference is that sets don't hold order, and sets don't contain duplicate elements. So, let's have a look at our art friends, our friends who study art, and let's say those are Rolf and Anne. Here I've defined my first set, and you can denote a set by using these curly braces instead of the square brackets or the normal brackets. Square brackets for a list, normal brackets for a tuple. By using curly braces, Python knows that you are defining a set. So here we've got our first set, art friends, and now let's define science friends. So this is Jen and Charlie. If you want to add to a set, you just do something like artfriends.add and then add Jen. What this is going to do is it's going to add the Jen string into the art friends set, and it's going to sort of put it anywhere in that set. Remember, sets don't keep order, so it could be anywhere. It could be at the start, it could be in the middle, it could be at the end. And there is no guarantee on the order being kept throughout the program either. So whenever you print the set, it could be in a different order. So let's print it out and run it. You can see that in this case, the Jen string has been printed at the start, then Anne, and then Rolf. If you try to do this again, you'll see that the same set gets printed out twice. Because we tried to add a value to the set that was already there, it didn't happen. Nothing happened, no error happens, just the value does not get added. It's already in there, and sets do not contain duplicate elements, so nothing gets added to that set. You can remove things from a set, though, by doing .remove. And now you can see that the second time we printed, Jen is gone because we removed her in line 8. So this is how to work with sets in a very basic form, but it doesn't show you why sets are useful. One of the key use cases about sets is that it's very easy to compare one set to another. For example, ask sets. What elements are in this set that are not in this other set? Or what elements are common between both sets? Things like that are why sets are useful. So let's look at those operations in the next video. I'll see you there.